Hello, the question says that AD is a diameter of a circle and AB is a chord. If AD is equals to 34 cm, AB is equals to 30 cm, the distance of AB from the center of the circle is 17, 15, 4 or 8. So in this question you are given with the circle. Let us suppose the center of the circle is O. Also we are given with the diameter, which is AD. We know that diameter is a line passing through the center of the circle. So let this be our diameter AD. We have a chord AB whose length is 30 cm. So starting from the point A, let us draw a chord AB. So let this be our chord AB, which is 30 cm. Right? We need to find the distance of AB from the center of the circle. That means we need to find the distance of this chord AB from this point O. So let us write down what is given. Given a circle with center O. Right? Also we are given with the diameter. AD is the diameter, which is 34 cm. So this AD hole is 34 cm. Also AB, which is the length of the chord, 30 cm. 30 cm. And what we need to do is we need to find the distance of the chord from the center of the circle. So let us draw a perpendicular from the center on the chord. So if a perpendicular is drawn from center of the circle, from center O, let us suppose this is point E. So we will get OE. This OE, what is this OE? This is the distance of chord from the center. Distance of chord from center of circle. Right? So this distance we need to find in this question, OE. This is the distance of chord AB from the center of the circle. Now we know that perpendicular from the center, perpendicular from center of circle bisects the chord. Bisects the chord. Now this OE is the perpendicular on AB. OE is perpendicular on AB. Therefore from here we will get AE is equals to EB, which is equals to 30 upon 2, that is 15 cm. So in triangle, by taking triangle AOE, hypotenuse, that will be AO, hypotenuse square is equals to perpendicular square plus base square. So hypotenuse AO is the radius of the circle. Radius will be diameter upon 2. Diameter is 34. So radius will be 17. That means here we get 17 square is equals to OE. OE is distance of chord from the center. AE is 15 square. Therefore from here we can find the value of OE square. OE square, that will be equals to 17 square minus 15 square. So 17 square is 289 and 15 square is 225. This comes out to be 64. So OE square is equals to 64. OE square is equals to 8 square. So therefore from here we get OE is equals to 8 cm. This is the distance of the chord from the center. That means our option number D is correct. I hope this is clear. Thank you.